Good morning everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. So I'm running a bit late because I got out of bed late, but so yeah, I'm just gonna start getting ready. Got my cup of tea, I'm nearly out of milk, and I asked my mum if I could have some money for milk, and she said I should budget better, which I actually budgeted so well this week. And then my RYYZN payment came out and I wasn't expecting it, so that took £10 out, and now I can't afford milk. And you can see that my eczema is going a bit dodgy. It was the same yesterday. Let's get ready. So I thought I'd do a little voiceover because I realised all these clips are super long, but this is just my usual college morning routine. Sometimes I do my hair first. No, I usually do my hair first, but I half did. So I thought I would do my skincare while I was waiting for my hair colours to heat up because I decided to curl my ponytail. So this is just my kind of basic skincare routine. I might do an updated one of them at some point, if that's something you want to see. I don't know. I'm really liking this moisturiser though. It's a new one that I've been using from Revolution. Hair colour, this one is from Amazon. I kind of like it, but it's not the same as my mum's GHD one because you can hold the end, whereas this one I burn myself quite a lot. But it does make cute curls that do last okay. So yeah, I curled my ponytail, more tea. Then it moves on to makeup. I don't do loads of my makeup, but what I've been doing for the last few weeks is brushing out my eyebrows and then drawing them on. They don't look this crazy once I've finished, don't worry. And then I brush them out so they're not quite as dark. They're still quite dark, not that dark actually. I put a bit of concealer under my eyebrows and just blend it out with my finger, and concealer again just like on my face where I need it, mostly under my eyes because oh my god, I'm so tired all the time. I couldn't be bothered to clean my sponge, so I've been using my brush recently. I go through phases. It's a brush phase, and then powder. Basically I just like to use this powder on my face. Yeah, and then to finish everything off I put gel on my eyebrows and also gel my hair, so I'll leave you to it. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not. Outfit of the day, I've got this, it's just literally so simple, from Capezio. It's one of my favourites though. Some white Harper & Lewis joggers. I like to wear these ones with my white ones because the black is just a little bit too dark. I always feel like I'm in my pyjamas in this outfit, but it's so cozy. And these keep my neck so warm because it zips all the way up, so I don't need a scarf, which is really good when it's freezing. It's not actually as cold as yesterday. It was really icy yesterday morning, but it's like 6 degrees this morning, so it's not as cold, but still. So today has had a ton of events. As you can see, I'm home and it's, sorry, the bin's being done. I'm home and it's not dark. So I had a meeting with someone at college today who's like, I don't actually know what her job is. I think she's like joint principal and also like well-being. And I just remember like in the first week we had a talk with her and she was like, if you just need anyone to chat to, then like it's me. So I thought I would book an appointment to have a chat with her. So I had a chat with her today, basically just about how I'm really struggling with sitting out, watching dance lessons. Like I'm literally sitting there in the lessons, like trying not to cry because I just want to be dancing. And basically she gave me a few options, one of which to go home and not come back until after Christmas. And another one was to not watch the dance lessons. So come in for my other lessons and not watch dance. So I'm at home because I've got ballet in a minute. Well, we've got a long break and then ballet. So yeah, and tomorrow I'm not in at all. She was like, tomorrow I want you to do something nice. She said, it doesn't have to be a walk. It can just be getting up late and having a nice shower. And I was like, oh, you're so nice. So yeah, I've come home and I just had my lunch. It's about 3 o'clock now. I've only just got back really. It's really cold, so I'm just warming my hands up on the radiator. So yeah, it feels really strange, but I feel like it's for the best because there's no use in me just sitting there, because when you're watching all the time you're not learning anything because you're just not. yeah, you're not learning anything, so it's just pointless being there. Firstly, being uncomfortable because sitting down for a long time is really uncomfortable, but also it's just frustrating and upsetting. So yeah, very strange. Sorry, my hands are so cold, they're just starting to warm up now. Hashtag Reynards. They're a bit painful. Probably shouldn't be warming them up on a radiator, but I was thinking I might go up, have a nice shower and just chill. I also managed to pick up some milk and eggs. I thought I'd be okay with eggs and milk, but since I'm at home tomorrow, I'm gonna want like a good lunch or breakfast, I don't know. So yeah, feel weird. Isabel's home early just because she's home early normally.
Okay, so
do you take it?
Yeah. Basically, I need to have a word with you guys. I can't remember. I had two things to say. One was that I came home and it was such a shock that Evie was here because I walked in the door. Normally it's just me home. This is my time where I do my singing practice.
You do your singing practice.
I will do that anyways. And I belt it out freely. But today I walked in the door and the lights were on and it was warm and I was like, someone's home, and it's Evie. The other thing is, should I start vlogging? I need you to tell me in the comments below.
What, there'll be no comments though?
It'll be me commenting, Isabel.
Should.
Okay, if you want me to start vlogging, start a YouTube channel, comment, Isabel, start vlogging. 3 words. Okay, that's my part done for the day. Yeah.
Yeah, I can't remember the last thing that... Oh, I don't know if that just worked. I can't remember the last thing that I filmed, but it's now 5:05. It's really weird thinking that right now I would have been in ballet. Just, like, watching. Feels very strange. I've just had a chill evening. What was I doing? I was on my phone, just scrolling. I had a shower. Didn't wash my hair because I'm going to do it tomorrow, but it needs doing because it's got a lot of gel in it. And I've just been editing the vlog to go up tomorrow. I feel so rubbish. Like, I feel like my vlogs are so bad. I just love doing it and I need to get back into it. I was saying this before, I just don't know what to do for my channel. I just don't know where to take it because, like, I want to keep it consistent. So I want to, like, kind of have a topic. And I just don't know what to do with it because I just don't. So, yeah, I'm like, what do I do? Do I keep doing random bits like I was doing? I don't know. I just need to, like, get back into the swing of things and figure out what I want to do. Because I want to keep it up and I love doing the vlogs, but, like, the vlogs aren't going to take me anywhere because people only want to watch vlogs when they know you, if that makes sense. So, like, those of you who are watching my vlogs, you probably know me or have watched my videos for a while. Does that make sense? When I say know me, I mean, like, more like you've watched my videos for a while. But they obviously don't get much reach. And YouTube isn't obviously just about reach, but, like, part of it is. Part of it is, like, getting more people to watch your videos and that kind of thing. So, yeah, I need to have a think and just, like, a plan. I just want it to be really chilled, not forced, just, like, very me. So, yeah, any ideas would be more than appreciated. Yeah, I have a list of things that I do want to do that's kind of college related and I feel like that would be interesting, but obviously that then appeals to a very different audience and not my usual audience, so, you know. Anyway, that is what I've been thinking. I've just realised I haven't put any of the stuff away that I used this morning. Anyway, I've just been chatting for no reason now. I'm just going to finish editing this and maybe go down and get some food in a little bit. I don't know. I just need to go in the microwave. What did I do for my meal plan? Let's have a look. Oh, I did kind of mess up the order, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to have couscous tonight. Should have really had the couscous yesterday, but I didn't. Had a little FaceTime with my mum. My mum was like, should we FaceTime at like 6 o'clock? And then she didn't FaceTime me until I messaged her at like nearly 8 o'clock. And she was like, oh, I've got something to do at 8 o'clock. I'm like, honestly, I can't even remember what we were talking about. Oh, we were talking about the kitchen. My mum sent a really just kind of like ranty text to our builders because they said it'd take 8 weeks, and we're on week 11, and we're like no end done. And I'm coming home to decorate for Christmas. I was meant to come last weekend, but it wasn't done, so I'm coming this weekend, and the floor's not even in. So my mum has basically like been like, you need to get on with it. You keep making all these promises and not following through. Also, that my sister's injured too. She's got Achilles tendonitis, I'm pretty sure. And then she was saying how she needs me to be a chauffeur, basically, over the weekend. And I was like, I don't even know if I can drive with my knee right now. So we'll have to test it. Also, my car's getting its MOT and service on Friday, and I just have this feeling it's going to fail. So, oh, we got our references today. They're like, okay. I think mine could have been better, but then also at the same time, I literally haven't danced for 6 weeks. So some of these people who have written my references, I don't think even really could pick me out from the register. Some of them I only have once a week, and I haven't danced in 6 weeks. So, I mean, they're good for not having danced for 6 weeks, but like they could have been better. If I was dancing, like I would have got a better reference, you know? So that makes me frustrated. But at least I don't have to worry about that now because I've got them. I love looking at the views of my videos and them being like less and less each time. Okay, I thought I'd do a little talk through of our kitchen plans because I feel like I've talked about us having a new kitchen, but I never got to show you or talk to you really about the idea of it before I moved. You can see here, this is our current, well, what you last saw the house as. We had the kitchen, a little utility which had just like one row of units, and then the kitchen was quite long. This garden room thing was an extension we actually had like ages ago, which is where we had like a couple little seats and that's it really. And then our living room, we had like the fireplace in the corner, so that was that. Then this here is our new kind of plan. So the first thing here is the utility has had this wall extended out. So I will show you that, but basically we're going to keep units here but have like new ones, and then we're going to have like I think it's going to be a corner cupboard here, but this wall here is staying, but yeah, so this here is all going to be like corner cupboards and like cupboards and units and all of that kind of jazz. And we're going to have a little bench seating here, so this is going to be the boot room, as we're going to call it, so like the dogs can get muddy in there and that kind of thing. Also, I chose the tiles for the walls, just saying. So then the next big thing is you can see that this wall, these two walls have been knocked down. We have to keep a pillar in the middle. I'm really sad I haven't been able to vlog all of this, but anyway, so that's being removed. So then the bit that was the kitchen is now going to be like a living space, and the bit that was the lounge is now going to be a kitchen. Another thing to mention is this here is labelled as a dining room. This was our dance studio room. That is now becoming our lounge, but we're calling it the snug still. This did used to be a snug, to be fair, but that has changed. So then what has changed in here is the door has moved over. You can probably see it's just moved over slightly, and we've knocked under the stairs just to have like a little alcove space in that room. So this is like the kitchen plan. So as you can see, we really wanted an island, so it's not quite an island because it's attached, so it's technically a breakfast bar, but from the dining room it looks like an island. This is our kitchen plan. Oh my god, it's so exciting. We're not having this floor or like that kind of thing, this is just like a mock-up. But so yeah, you can see this is the island, so this should fit I think 3 stools here and then 2 here. This is the corner cupboard, it's really big, really nice. The microwave is also going in there. This is also going to be a dishwasher, and yeah, so we've got a little sink on the island and then a proper sink over here. Here is like the other view. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the utility. So you can see the bench seats here. Obviously it's not this corner, but this kind of is like the overall layout. So yeah, this layout is staying the same with like a big sink to wash the dogs in, and like washing machine and tumble dryer. This is the most exciting thing. These here are for the cats to sleep in. We've got built-in cupboards for our cats, because so usually our cats can get into the utility and the kitchen. So the utility is like the cat flap, so that's like where they get into. But now the utilities can be separate from the kitchen, we're gonna have to shut that door at night. So their space, we needed to make sure they had a bed. So this is like full on, this is the animals room. So we've got the cat beds will go in there, and like maybe their food, there'll be like dog leads and stuff and all of that up here. I don't know where anything's going, but you know, that's like the plan. And then yeah, this will be bench seats, and then all of our coats and stuff will probably be hung up here. For this, we have actually gone for, we weren't going to go for a marble, but we've gone for a little marble kind of thing and a grey, and then the utility is like a cashmere kind of colour, and we've gone for a wooden, not wood because wood and water isn't that great, but like a wooden type work surface. But that is like really exciting. I'm going home on Friday, so I will be able to show you what it is looking like. It won't be fully finished because the builders have been a little bit slow. In fact, like the utility I don't think has even been started. We are also having our downstairs toilet changed, but like it's literally staying the same. We're just getting a new sink and new toilet because it's really old and broken. And they also said they would do it for us for free because they have taken so long. Which is so good. But yeah, I've been loving, like, when they first started getting things changed. I'll insert a few pictures here of what my mum was sending me, because obviously I was here, so I couldn't see it. I've been home a couple of times, so I have seen like the progress. When I came home last time, there was no work surface, but the units were in. So this will be really exciting. Yeah, oh my god, it's just so exciting. I filmed that whole clip in slow-mo, had a huge panic because it was like nearly 10 minutes, but it's okay because you can edit it. Thank God. I can't breathe without your